Claude just got a way to think longer on hard problems. They recently introduced this new model capability that is called effort. Now you can control how many tokens Claude uses when responding with the effort parameter, trading off between response thoroughness and token efficiency. In the past, Claude Code had ultra think mode, but they had removed it for some reason. But now, with the introduction of this new effort mode, you can now specify that how much effort your model should be applying on your tasks. So the effort parameter allows you to control how eager Claude is about spending tokens when responding to requests. This gives you the ability to trade off between response thoroughness and token efficiency, all with a single model. The effort parameter is generally available on all supported models with no beta header required. So this update is for their API users as well as for the Claude Code. I will be showing you demo in the Claude Code in this video. So setting effort to high produces exactly the same behavior as omitting the effort parameter entirely. These are the 4 effort levels that you can specify. We have low, medium, high and max. With the low, this is the most efficient, significant token saving with some capability reduction. And the use case is simpler tasks that need the best speed and lowest cost, such as sub-agents. Then we have medium, that is balanced approach with moderate token savings, and you can use it for agentic tasks that require a balance of speed, cost and performance. Then we got high level, that is for high capability, equivalent to not setting the parameters. It is for complex reasoning, difficult coding problems and agentic tasks. Then finally we have the maximum mode. It is for absolute maximum capability with no constraints on token spending, and you can use only for the Opus 4.6. If you try to use the max level on other models, it would simply return an error. So you might use this level for tasks requiring the deepest possible reasoning and most thorough analysis. So let's quickly test modes. Now I will ask it to build a landing page for our digital product. I will run the same prompt for the max effort as well after this one, just to compare. Alright, now it is thinking at the medium level. Okay, it has generated something, so let me just give it the permission. Alright, it has generated the landing page, so let's open it in the browser. Okay, so this is what it has made. You see that how beautiful it is. I just use the medium level and still it is working really great, and I love this design that it has made. There is some room for the improvements, but it is already looking really great. The links are working, the animation is working. This section might be improved, that the width of these accordions should be 100% instead of 50%, and in that way it would look better. Anyways, now let's go back to the terminal, and this time what I would do is that I will run the effort with max. You see that when I type effort, it shows me the option for all of the values so that you could decide which one to use. So earlier we were using medium, but now I would use max. You can also use auto. If you set it to auto, then your agent would automatically decide which effort mode is best for the kind of task that you are trying to implement. I would just use a max, and now you see that the effort level has been set to the max, and it is only for this session, and it says that maximum capability with the deepest reasoning Opus 4.6 only. Now I would like to make sure that I'm using the Opus 4.6 so that this max effort level could work properly. So for that I will set the model, hit enter, and here currently I was using Sonnet 4.6 earlier, but let me switch it to the default, because if I switch it to the default, then I would be using the Opus 4.6 automatically. And this is the new thing that I just noticed, that now we got the 1 million context window as well, and currently it is in the max plan only and other above than max plan, but I hope that it would come to the pro plans as well in the future. Anyways, so now let's select the default one, hit enter, create a new landing page in a new folder within test3 folder for my digital product. And this time I'm using Opus 4.6 with the max effort level. So let's see how much effort it would put into this landing page. Okay, look at this. This time it is specifically telling us that it is thinking with the max effort. Earlier this was not here. Okay, now it is asking for my permission, so I would give it the permission. It would create a new folder, product landing, and then it will create the files that are required. Okay, it has started to write the index.html file. Meanwhile, I would open this project in the editor so that I could start comparing both. I will be using the anti-gravity. The project has been opened in my editor and it is still generating, but let me show you one big difference. Earlier, when I was using the medium level effort, then it created just a plain index.html with everything embedded within the same index.html file. It didn't create a separate style.css file and it didn't create a separate JavaScript file. It included or dumped everything within a single file. But when I have set the effort level to the max, now this time it is thinking very thoroughly and trying to do everything with perfection. This is what I see. It has created proper CSS folder and the JavaScript folder. The files are not there yet, but they will be created soon. But you see that it is now doing it properly. Okay, now it has started to write the style.css and main.javascript file, and I think it is done. So now let's go back in the editor and see the CSS. You see that how nicely it has created the style separately in a separate file and the JavaScript file. Now let's run this project in the browser and see how it looks like. Okay, this is what it has made, and I already see that it looks much better than before. You see that everything is looking very professional and very well thought and created thoughtfully. And this time you see that the accordion was also fixed because it applied extra thinking budget on it, and that's why I don't see anything wrong in this layout. And this layout looks completely perfect without any room for the improvement. If I show you the other one, this is the first effort that it has made and this is the second effort. You see the difference already. I mean, with the medium effort it was already good, but with the max effort it is much better, and you can say it is perfect. There are a lot of animations, a lot of JavaScript that was written, and you see that how the elements appear with a fade in effect and everything. You see that these things are also working. The pricing plans, and if you go there in the first effort, we got just a simple pricing table, but there is no button to switch between annual and monthly pricing. So this is the clear difference that it has used the maximum thinking mode and did it really well. So this is what I just wanted to show you in this video. You just use the max effort only for the complex refactors, debugging hard bugs, architectural decisions, etc. Because the max plan would consume a lot of tokens and it can eat your quota very quickly. So if you are working on very simple tasks that are not very complex and you think that it can be done with the smaller efforts, then I would recommend to use the medium effort and just use it. It would still work. So if you think that this video provided some value, then please don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.